How to make NGL link on Instagram. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First, open up the NGL application. If you don't have the application yet, you can hit your Play Store or an App Store and download and install the application. Now once you have installed and opened the application, enter your Instagram handle and tap on Done. Next, click on the copy link button, tap OK. It'll take you through the 4 steps you need to do. So go through all the steps properly, tap on next step, and finally tap on share on Instagram. It'll redirect you to the Instagram application. Now to add the link, tap on the smiley face like icon at the very top and now scroll down and select link. Now paste the NGL link that you copied earlier and tap on done at the upper right corner. Next, frame it correctly. Now to simply add it to your story, click on your story at the bottom right, and with this your NGL link would be shared. So that's it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to make NGL link in Instagram. I really hope this video is going to help you out. Thank you for watching till the end.